Tired of seeing that frustrating "This webpage is not available" error in Google Chrome? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and effective solutions to get your web pages loading smoothly again. So let's dive into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh int-ip reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Then check if the error is fixed or not. Solution 2. Clear Chrome cache. To do this, open Chrome. After that, click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings from here. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left side menu. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Next, hit the Reset Settings button, and Chrome will be resetted. Now the error should be fixed. So that's how you fix the "This webpage is not available" error in Google Chrome on your PC. If the video helped you sort out the issue, don't forget to smash that like button. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.